Dito tayo ngayon sa Novotel sa Cubao. Ito ang event, nasa second floor. Pwede natin. Ito na yun. Cover natin yung PIDSOG o Philippine Infectious Diseases Society for Obstetrics and Gynecology Incorporated. So nagdo-docu na si Richard.
Hi ma'am.
Richard, docu ka
Mami
na.
po. Hey. Yes. Thank you po. Yeah. Docu na, docu.
So papasukin na natin yung ano nila, kung saan gaganapin yung event. Tingnan natin. ...2023 Annual Convention. Kasama natin ngayon si Sir Ray ulit at saka si Richard. Si Richard ang magdo-docu video. Natin. Ayan si Sir Ray.
1.3.
Marami ng mga doctors, so mamaya-maya mag-umpisa na to. Tuloy-tuloy na yung dating ng mga doctors. Registered na sila, marami-rami na sila ngayon. So dinodocue na ni Sir Ray. Ipicturean niya na yung mga secretary at mga doctors. So tuloy-tuloy yung pagdodocue ni Sir Ray. Mamaya, dalawa na kami sa loob. Dito, siya lang muna. Medyo papitik-pitik lang din ako pagka merong magpapit. So nag-picture na yung mga doktora.
Okay. Sama po, sama. Closer.
So maya-maya, papasok na kami. Dito muna kami sa labas kasi magkakaroon ng ribbon cutting. 8 o'clock ang start ng program nila eh. So I don't know kung start talaga nila yun ng 8. Pero tingin ko lahat, ano pa, mga past 8, ay, sorry. So, nag-start na sila. Shoot na kami. Re-ribbon cutting na, so si Sir Ray na lang doon. Dito ako sa loob, nagsabay yung hindi namin inaasahan na ganun mangyari. Supposedly, ribbon cutting muna bago mag-start. Pero, pinagsabay na nila, ribbon cutting, tapos may speaker na sa loob. So si Sir Ray na nag-cover doon. Hindi pwede iwan dito. Maghanap sila ng photographer dito sa lobby. After niya magsalita, yung mga speaker, after nila magsalita, kukunan namin sila. Bababa sila sa stage. Tapos, habang sasalita rin sila, shoot din namin. So, yun lang naman yung mga magiging trabaho namin. Medyo matagal lang to kasi maghapon to hanggang gabi pa nga actually.
Dr. Lara Ray A. Angeles obtained her bachelor's degree in microbiology, medical degree and master's of science in microbiology in the University of Santa Tomas.
Kakape muna tayo. Yun lang maganda dito eh. Unli coffee.
Alright. So after your very thorough history, you want to look at the ulcer. So as I said, herpes should be number 1 in your mind in a patient who is young and sexually active. So classically or traditionally, herpes is described to be a group or crops of vesicles with multiple shallow ulcers with punched out edges. Painful and multiple, that's what should be in your mind. But pustular prostanations, especially if there is secondary bacterial infection. So remember, they could be vesicular, they could be ulcerative, It's the primary episode. There are multiple, and very, very meaningful. So this is a patient we handled before. Part about syphilis is that it's painless. It's solitary, usually. So in a woman, you might miss out the syphilitic chancre because it might be located inside the vagina, in which case we will not be able to see it if you don't do a thorax right away.
Just in time, because remember that if you take our delivery agents, usually most of our patients will deliver between 38 to 40 weeks. So,
Induction ng new members.
Dito yun.
So afternoon session na kami. Tapos na rin kami mag-lunch.
So, good afternoon, Holly. It is a pleasure to welcome you.
Lumabas muna tayo kasi nakakantok sa loob. Isa sa palagi namin na-encounter ng mga photographer. Yung aantokin ka sa event. Kasi matagal bago mag-shoot, matagal yung mga speaker. So, sometimes kakaantay mo, antokin ka, ikap ka. So ang panlaban namin dyan, lakad-lakad. Tapos magkakape. Yan.
The sample size is quite small, but they still gave an
Ito yung certificate nila na binibigay sa mga speaker. So lumipat na kami. Nandito na kami ngayon sa fellowship night. Yun yung mga doctors nag-akyata na. Finally, nakatapos na kami.
Finally, tapos na.
Oo. Time check, 10 o'clock.
Time check.
Hinahanap ko nga boss yung pinakita sa akin ni Sir Nelvin. Yung
Tapos, inedit nila.
Ay, nako. Ganito talaga yung photographer, videographer ang huling umuwi sa event. Bye!